What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, we're creating a portrait illustration of Sub-Zero from Mortal Kombat. For today's lesson, we'll be sketching with this 0.7mm mechanical pencil with a 2B graphite stick. Let's start by sketching a line coming down the center of the page. So we'll start from the very top. Just going to lightly work our way down with these short lines. Now let's go back to the middle on the top, draw another line going across from left to right. Now I want to use these two lines to help us create a circle along the top of our page. So from that center, let's just move up and just mark off the top of our circle. Let's take that same distance from the center down towards the bottom and do the same thing. Now I want to repeat these steps across this horizontal line. So measuring the distance from the center over towards the left and then the right. Now I want to connect the center point of each mark with a curve to create our circle. Let's start with the top left and we just want to rough this in. The circle doesn't have to be perfect. We're just using this as a guide. We can always go back and just smooth this out. Let's add another guideline coming down from the side of our circle. So we'll start with the left and then the right. And then we'll add another line going across the bottom of our circle from left to right. Now that we have our circle and guidelines in place, we're going to start blocking out the facial features. Let's start by adding a gap in between the eyes. So from that center line along the bottom, move over towards left. Sketch a short line going up. Let's take that same distance over towards the right. Now from the bottom, we're just going to angle the brow going up and then out towards the side of our circle. Now from the inside of the brow, we're going to step all the way out, draw a straight line going across the top of the eyelid. Line this up on the right. And then from the outside, curve the eye coming down and then up on the inside. Let's go in between the brow, angle the mask coming down and out on either side. And then from here, we're going to curve this out and then up towards the outside line. Now we're going to add some shape to the outside of the head. Let's start from the side of our circle. We're going to slope the head coming down and in towards the jaw, somewhere around there. And then we'll curve this down and then in towards the middle. Now we're going to curve the bottom edge of the hood above the eyes. So we'll start on the left and then bend this up and then down. Now I'm going to add a loose hood around the outside. From the center we're going to step up, bend this out and then down towards the side, from the left and right. Now on the left side we're going to add a fold. Coming in, bend this out. Now I want to come down and then in, just underneath the chin. Let's go over towards the right. We're going to come down and then go across the middle over towards the left. Now from these 2 points, we're going to draw the side of the hood. We're going to go up with an angled line along the side, and then we'll extend the top of the hood. Bend this up and then in towards the middle. Let's go back out to the side of the head, curve the inside of the hood, coming down and then in towards the bottom. Let's move out to the side, slope the shoulders with a straight angled line. Now with our rough sketch in place, we want to go back and clean this up by erasing these guidelines. So we'll start with that inside of the circle. Now that we have our clean rough sketch, we're going to go ahead and start adding some details. Let's start with the inside edge of the brow. Just going to add some shape, bending this up and then in. A smaller fold on the inside. And then work our way across the bottom of the brow, going up towards the top. You can see that we're just adding a little bit more shape. Bring the brow coming down the side. And add some thickness. Now we're going to go back and just add some shape to the eyelid. I'm just going to tuck the iris underneath the eyelid. So we're going to draw a half circle on both sides. And I'm just going to darken up the outside of the eye and just fade that in towards the iris. Now let's add some shape to the mask. Just going to add some tears across the bottom edge of the hood. Now we're going to add a little bit more shape to the mask. Let's add some detail in the middle. I'm just going to rough up the edge of the larger hood, going up, adding a little bit of texture. Just tearing up the edge coming in. Now you want to clean up our drawing one final time before we add some more detail and shading. And now I'm going to switch to my 0.9mm mechanical pencil and start adding some contrast and shadows. So we start back at the brow, also continue to add some more detail. And now we're going to add our shadows, starting underneath the eyelid, just working our way down. And we want to really enhance the glow of the eyes. I'm just going to add some rough detail across the shoulders. Now, as we get closer to the end, we're just going to tighten up our shadows down a little bit more detail, and always be sure to sign our artwork, and that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of Sub-Zero from Mortal Kombat. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also visit our other sketch channels. I'll leave the links for you in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.